Has inflation peaked? That's a great question. Well, let's dive into the numbers. Last month CPI was 9.1% year over year, right? That was the highest it's been. Some amazing news. It dropped down to 8.5 today. That's awesome. And the reason for that is gas prices have dropped 7%, which is really, really good for us. It's one of the three major factors that we're seeing with inflation. As you remember from my last video, you have gas, food, and housing. Well, gas has done good. Let's talk about the other two. Housing and food has continued to climb. The reality of it is housing rents have gone up 6% year over year, which is the highest since 1980s. We need a few things to happen. We need food prices to come down, we need gas prices to continue to go down, and we need to build more homes and apartment complexes. If we can do that, it's going to allow us to normalize the market and bring down inflation, and that's what we're really looking to do. Now, some more good news. The 10-year treasury note has went to 2.7 today, which has pushed rates below 5%, right? Which is phenomenal. Now, if you remember from our last videos, a lot of the buyers got out of the market because of two major reasons. One, rates jumped up to close to 6%. And the second was, hey, we had a stock market correction, right? In the June, basically the stock market went down. We're in a kind of a bear rally right now. The stock market is starting to rally, which is really, really good. It did it today as well. And if that continues to happen and rates stay at 4, you're going to see a lot more buyers come back in the market. So the good news is with that happening and interest rates being below 4% or below 5%, excuse me, and getting into the 4%, it's really going to bring more buyers back out into the field. So if you're looking for an opportunity to get a deal on a property, now to the end of the year is going to be your best time frame to get credits from a seller, to get closing costs buy down of your interest rate, as well as to get any sort of repairs on the property you want. So if you're looking for credits, buy down of interest rate, and repairs on your property, the next 4 months is going to be a sweet spot for you.